Good morning, students. Today we will learn about more on Windows. Okay, I am going to start chapter 2. Now open your book, page number 13, and start reading with me, and as well as watch this presentation carefully. Windows 7. Windows 7 is one of the most popular operating system. Okay, Windows 7 is the most popular operating system. What is operating system? Which operate the computer and control the overall activities of the computer. Windows has many utility programs for day-to-day applications. These additional programs are known as accessories, for example calculator, notepad. This is Windows Media Player and sound recorder, and these are system tools. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows. Which is the latest version of Windows? Windows 10. Now next topic is what is Windows Media Player. It is used for play and organize digital media files, like we can play audio and video files on the computer and internet with this software, Windows Media Player. Media Player runs and organizes digital media file, both audio and video, available in computer memory. We can listen to radio stations from all over the world if the computer is connected to the internet. This software allows us to play, copy, create CDs or DVD. It also helps to copy music and video files to portable devices. Like first, copy CD to your computer. If we have any data in our CD, then we can copy that data into the computer from the CD. So we can copy songs from our favorite music CD, DVD onto our computer. When we copy songs from CD to a computer, this process is known as ripping or rip. After the songs have been copied to our computer, we can use Windows Media Player for playing and organize the songs and create playlists and copy music. Okay, then steps for playing this. Click on Start button, then All Programs, and choose Windows Media Player option. There is a Windows Media Player option. Next, insert an audio CD which you want to copy in the hard disk. Insert that CD in the CD-ROM or CD drive. Then you will see the list of songs that you stored on your CD. In the Windows Media Player, you can see the list. Then clear the checkbox next to any song that you do not want to rip, that you do not want to copy, or you want to copy all the songs. Then select all the files, and you can skip those who you don't not want to copy in the hard disk, or you can select this. You can use the check boxes at the top of the list to select or clear all check boxes at once. Okay, from this button you can select all the files or you can deselect all the files. When you are done with this selection process, after click on Rip CD option. Then the ripping process will start and you can see the rip status. To stop the ripping process, if you want to stop it or pause it at any point, click on Stop Rip button. This is the Stop Rip button. You can stop it. Then click on Rip Setting button to change the format, audio quality of rip music files, or you can keep the default Windows Media Player format. You can change the formatting from this option. The songs are ripped to the Windows Media Player. Now library. In the library, you can see all the files. After the songs have been ripped, go to the library to play them. Now there is one, know the fact. MPEG, MPEG, okay, pronounced as MPEG, stands for full form of MPEG, Moving Picture Experts Group. What is the full form of MPEG? Moving Picture Experts Group. MPEG 7 is the latest generation technology, is a container format for multimedia content including video, audio, subtitles and still images. Okay, images also. It works using the data streaming by transmitting data stream to the receiving devices, and MP7 files have the extension .mp7. Now next point is copying data to a CD. Okay, in last topic we have done copying CD to your computer. Now this is the vice versa. Now copying data to a CD. Okay, now turn the page number 40, copying data to a CD. Now we can copy our data which have stored in our hard disk to a CD. Saving important information on a CD DVD is as easy as saving on a hard disk, and you can create your own CD DVD by selecting a folder of software of that media files and dragging it to the CD icon in the computer folder. This process is known as burning. Okay, two processes we have discussed. CD to your computer copying data, it is called ripping. Then copying data from hard disk to CD, it is called burning. Okay, this is the process and I am explaining you about the steps of that. Insert is CD. First you have to insert a CD into your computer that you want to burn. Then auto play dialog box will appear like this. Okay, now there is an option burn files to disk. You can see here burn file to disk, Windows Explorer. Next, burn a disk dialog box will appear that mention the CD name in the disk title. Any name you can give here, and then after typing the name, then click on next button. Okay. Now next, an empty disk folder opens. Then drag the file that you want to burn into this folder. Which file you want to copy in the CD, you can drag from the desktop. And if there is a song file or movie file, or you have any document to copy, you can easily drag that file into the folder. On the toolbar, click on then burn to disk button. Okay, then follow the steps. Now there is one tip for you. Some other software that can be used to burn a CD are Nero, Express Burn. With these softwares also we can do burning. Now there is one let's know more point also. Under all the program and the accessories options, sound recorder can be used to record sound with the help of microphone. We can record our voice with microphone. Okay children, now I hope you understand these two topics, ripping and burning. Now next is displaying two windows at a time. Okay. In Windows 7 we have a facility that we can open two windows at a time. In Windows 7 we can display two applications window side by side. Microsoft Word, then PowerPoint program. First open this, then one by one. PowerPoint window is activate at present. You can see here. Now right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Okay. Now click on show window side by side option from the shortcut menu. Both the applications you can see here, the Word file, Word software and PowerPoint software. Both the application will be displayed side by side, and you can work at a time in both the applications. Now there is one note point. Make sure only 2 windows are open at a time. If more than 2 windows are open in the background, windows will open all of them side by side. Okay, now next topic is exploring pictures folder. In pictures folder, we can store digital photos, images and graphic files. To open this folder, follow the steps. Click on start button, then select the picture option. You can see here the picture option. Yes. From the right pane, the picture folder will open. By default, the pictures are displayed as the thumbnail in the picture library. You can see here, and you will find various buttons like organize, share with, slideshow and new folder on the bar above the thumbnail. Okay, this is the bar above the thumbnail. You can see these points: organize, share with, slideshow and new folder. We can also view our pictures as icons of various sizes in the picture folder or any folder customized as a picture folder. To do so, click the drop down arrow located next to the change your view button. You can see these pictures in different views on the bar above thumbnail. Then select any picture you want to see and double click on the preview. You get various buttons of the picture which help us in managing picture view. For example, view next or previous image clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation. You can see here button. This is for next picture and this is for clockwise and anti-clockwise button. Rotation and magnification or reduction of image. You can magnify this picture. You can zoom it in plus or in minus. We can also use play slideshow open to run this picture on an automated mode. Now there is one let's know more. Using calculator option and accessories, we can perform simple and complex arithmetic calculations on the computer. Okay children, now that's all for the today's class. Next topic, additional features of Windows 7, we will discuss in our next class.